What if I told you that with just a laptop and 2 free AI tools, you could build a business that earns up to $10,000 a month and no one even needs to see your face? Collision, this isn't hype. This is the faceless method, powered by ChatGPT plus Canva AI. Real tools, real income. No coding, no camera, no excuses. Welcome to AI Fortune, your go-to channel for turning AI tools into passive income machines. If you're ready to escape the 9 to 5, smash burnout, and start earning smart, not hard, hit that subscribe button and let's build something powerful. Let's be real. Not everyone wants to be an influencer. Not everyone wants to dance on TikTok or vlog their life. But what if you could still earn like one? Because today, faceless creators are winning big. There are people out there selling ebooks without writing a word, running YouTube channels without ever filming, creating digital stores without inventory. And they're using free tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI. This is your permission. You don't need to be famous to be free. Here's the exact system to get you from $0 to $10,000 per month using just 2 tools. Step 1. Pick your product type. Digital planners, ebooks, lead magnets, printables, faceless videos. Choose something evergreen. Health, wealth, parenting, self-help. These never go out of style. Step 2. Use ChatGPT to generate your core content. Let's say you want to sell a budgeting for moms ebook. Just prompt ChatGPT. Write a 5-chapter ebook on how busy moms can budget and save $500 per month. Boom, done in minutes. Step 3. Use Canva AI to design your product. With Magic Write plus Magic Design, you turn your text into a polished ebook, PDF, YouTube thumbnail, or social media carousel in minutes. Step 4. Sell on Gumroad, Etsy, YouTube, or Amazon KDP. No website, no problem. These platforms are free and have built-in audiences. You don't need to build an empire in a day, but one product done well can start a snowball of income. Tool 1. ChatGPT, the content engine. Blog posts, ebook chapters, social captions, ad copy. It's all a prompt away. Prompt example. Write a 30-day self-care challenge for busy professionals. Tool 2. Canva AI, the designer's shortcut. Designing used to take hours. Now, Canva AI will do it for you. Ebook covers, course slides, social posts. No design skills needed. Prompt example. Design an ebook titled Productivity Reset with calming minimalist theme. Tool 3. Bonus, PageIn or Pictory for faceless video. Want to go the YouTube route? These platforms turn text into full AI videos with avatars and voiceovers. 3 tools, 0 overhead, and you're in business. Maya, the mom boss. Maya created a meal planner for moms ebook using ChatGPT and Canva AI. Posted on Gumroad. Month 1, $250. Month 3, $2,800. By month 5, $6,000 and counting. Jake, the quiet creator. Jake launched a faceless YouTube Shorts channel with ChatGPT plus Pictory. He hit 100K subs in 6 months. Makes $9,000 to $12,000 per month from ad revenue, plus affiliate deals. These people didn't have money or teams. Just focus, AI, and time. Use automation to scale. Repurpose one ebook into YouTube scripts, blog posts, and lead magnets. Use Zapier to automate email collection plus product delivery. Use ConvertKit, free plan, to build an email list fast. Offer bundles and upsells. Sell a $10 ebook? Great. Now bundle 3 together for $25. Add a printable workbook for $15 more. You just 3x your profit. Rinse and repeat. Don't build one product and stop. Build once a week. Stack the wins. That's how creators hit $10,000 per month. Remember, it's not about going viral. It's about going consistent. Ready to launch your AI-powered business in just 1 week? Day 1, pick your niche. Day 2, use ChatGPT to create your product. Day 3, design in Canva AI. Day 4, set up your store, Gumroad, Etsy, or YouTube. Day 5 to 6, create and schedule content. Day 7, launch plus promote on TikTok, IG, and YouTube Shorts. Just 7 days. Just 2 tools. That's all it takes to start. You're not late to the AI game. You're early, but only if you start. Subscribe to AI Fortune for weekly guides, tools, and faceless income hacks. Comment below which tool you're starting with, and I'll reply with custom tips just for you.